Hello, fellow teacher. Did you know that in your classroom, you have students with different learning styles and preferences? To ensure learning happens at the same pace for all, you are encouraged to apply Universal Design for Learning, UDL. UDL is a teaching approach designed to optimize learning by using flexible methods, materials, and assessments to accommodate different learning needs for all students in the classroom. UDL is mediated in 3 principles, namely multiple means of representation, multiple means of engagement, and multiple means of action and expression. Multiple means of representation. To apply this principle, you are expected to create an inclusive and engaging learning environment by using diverse instructional methods, including visual, auditory, text-based materials, assessive technologies, hands-on activities, peer discussions, flexible access, and quick assessments. Multiple means of engagement. To apply this principle, you are expected to recognize and accommodate individual differences to enhance students' engagement and motivation. Multiple means of action and expression. To apply this principle, you are expected to offer diverse assessment methods, encouraging verbal and written expression, incorporating hands-on activities, and using technology to allow students to demonstrate understanding in various ways. Teacher, you are requested to incorporate or apply these 3 principles into lesson planning and curriculum delivery in your classroom. Learner's readiness.
Learner's readiness, this is an entry point for the learners or students to be prepared for learning. And in the learner's readiness, we can apply one of the 3 principles of UDL. That is multiple means of engagement. In learner's engagement, we are going to apply different ways of engaging learners. For example, a teacher can use a song, a teacher can play a video, a teacher can tell a story, and so on.
If you're happy and you know, stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know, stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know, stamp your feet. Wow.
Introduction.
After learner's readiness, in UDL, we have introduction. In introduction, a teacher can apply multiple means of engagement by creating safe and supportive learning environment, which is going to motivate these learners or students to learn.
In introduction, learners enter the lesson with the support of the teacher through demonstration, storytelling, role plays, video plays, chat display, and many more.
Welcome to the set lesson. Today, we want to talk about a simple lesson, science lesson. It's about plants. It's about plants. Do you know plants? Have you seen plants? Yes! Wow.
Lesson development.
In the lesson development, this is where the real teaching and the real learning is taking place. In the real teaching and real learning, a teacher uses the 2 principles of UDL. These are multiple means of representation. Here, a teacher uses multiple means of representation. Maybe, for example, he can use a video to represent a content, can use a story, can use diagrams or images to represent a content. Because remember, behind all this, we are having an inclusive classroom.
Parts of a plant. Now, a plant has very many parts. Do you see that part? Who can read it for us? Hello, my friend? Very good. That is an image of a leaf. That is an image of a leaf. Okay? I want you to follow. Who can tell me this part? Wow, I'm happy everyone now knows. And I can see the faces are so nice. Yes, my friend. Wow. Thank you. So much. Clap for her. Ah, good. Next part. Hello, my friend at the back. This is an image of a fruit. A fruit. Next. Please put up your arm. I will pick you. Yes. Stem. This is pronounced as stem, not steam. Okay? The word is stem. Can you repeat that? Stem. Stem. Good. We have our next part. People who are called teacher. Yes, hello. These are roots. Where do roots grow? Roots grow in the soil. Now, the next image shows all the parts of plants. So we have the flower, the leaf, the fruit, the stem, and the roots. Can we read from top? Flower, leaf, fruit, stem, and roots. Wow.
In lesson development, we have another principle, UDL principle, which is multiple means of engagement. And this is where a teacher uses different styles, because we are having learners with different learning styles. For example, a teacher puts the students in groups and provides them with activities where these learners inclusively, they are going to be using multiple means of engagement. For example, one group can use hands-on activities or experiment. Another group can have playing video. Another group can have presenting images or charts. But all these focus on the same content. Why? We are having different students with different learning styles. Therefore, we need to apply different ways of engaging them so that the learning takes place at the same pace and the students are motivated in the learning.
What are these? What is this? This is a flower. I told you we are going to build like this, okay? So that it can fit, okay? Yeah.
During lesson development, you should promote collaboration, encourage creative expression through diverse communication methods, allow self-pacing, offer students a choice on how they respond, and use flexible tools and resources, both digital and printed, to accommodate different learning styles.
You touch a part, then you say, first touch it. Touch it first. It is okay. Is she correct? These are roots? Yes. Wow, clap hands for her. Thank you so much. Another person. Quickly.
Leaves.
Wow, these are leaves. These are leaves. Thank you. Clap hands for him. And the part's over. Are they over?
No.
We still have more. Yeah. Let me get my friend here.
Flower.
Where is the flower? Come and touch it. Where is the flower? Hey, you have to. Where is it? Oh, wow. Can you pick one?
Flower.
Can you pick it? Remove it. Oh, sorry.
Flower.
So you can have these ones. Show them.
Flower.
So these are the flowers. These are flowers. Is he correct? Yes. Clap hands for him. Do we have another part?
Yes. No.
Sure.
Yes.
Let's find out. Someone. Come.
Roots.
Oh, these are fruits. He has seen a fruit. Would you like to pick it?
Yes.
Okay. You can have this. Get. Yeah. So this is an example of a fruit. Yeah. Any other part? So we have seen the leaves, the stem, the roots, the flowers, and the fruit. Good.
The importance of applying multiple means of representation and multiple means of engagement during lesson development is to help the teacher and the students themselves inclusively to learn perfectly at their learning pace.
You touch a part, then you say, first touch it.
Roots.
Touch it first. It is okay. Is she correct? These are roots? Yes. Wow, clap hands for her. Right? Another person.
Assessment and conclusion.
After lesson development, we are now going to look at assessment. In assessment, students have already done the activities, and now the teacher needs to know how they have done the activities. What is their ideas? What is their findings? Students are going to use multiple means of action and expression, whereby a student can decide to use either by telling a story, by having an experiment being conducted, by presenting the real image of what he has learned. The student can also use a video or a project to express his or her ideas from the learning process.
Yeah. So we have seen the parts of a plant, okay? We've seen the main parts of a plant as the flower, leaf or leaves, stem, fruit, and roots. Okay? Can anyone now be able to name these parts? Can you see them and you see that this is a root? This is a leaf. Can you do that? Wow, thank you so much.
During the assessment, Teachers are expected to differentiate assessment difficulty. Use different assessment formats such as quizzes, projects, presentations. Then offer learners different options to demonstrate learning and incorporate real-world relevance and interactive assessments such as games or simulations to help maintain students' interest.
A homework, okay? Yes, so this is our homework of today. You are going to draw and name the main parts of a plant. Draw. You know to draw? Yes? Yeah, you draw your own plant and name the main parts of a plant. Limited to a flower, leaf, stem, root, and fruit. See you in the next science lesson, okay?